Time now for your morning rush. The state is clarifying the rules for restaurants and breweries to bring back live performances. The new public health order was revised last week. Ticketed events are not allowed. Meanwhile, performers must follow COVID-safe practices like wearing masks and social distancing. Patrons must also stay seated and no dance floors are allowed. Karaoke and bar games are also prohibited.
The mayor of Farmington is asking the state to ease the gating criteria for reopening even more. Mayor Nate Duckett, says San Juan County is celebrating after reaching the yellow level for reopening. Duckett says he wants the state to consider working vaccination percentages into the gating criteria. The governor's office says the effect of COVID-19 vaccinations is inherently included since more doses mean fewer new cases.
And the month of February came and went very quickly. Here's a look at that recap. It was a slightly cooler and drier month than normal, but not by much, less than a degree and less than an inch. However, with less than normal precip, we still were able to get above average snowfall. It was our 5th snowiest February on record.
New legislation that would force private employers to offer paid sick leave to employees heads to the state Senate. Under House Bill 20, employees would earn 1 hour of paid sick leave for every 30 hours worked. They could use up to 8 days in a 1-year period. Those in opposition to the bill say businesses are already struggling, but the bill passed the House 36-33.
Recreational marijuana is taking center stage this legislative session with supporters of legalization on both sides. A Republican proposal is shifting discussions toward workplace safety and advocating low taxes to stamp out black market sales. Over the weekend, a Senate panel discussed preventing access to children and promoting a competitive marketplace.
President Biden calling for quick action on his nearly $2 trillion COVID relief bill. The bill narrowly passed the House on Saturday. The $1.9 trillion plan now moves to the Senate. That plan does include increased testing, school funding, child care assistance, and stimulus checks.
Metro Threat Index this morning. We're seeing some cold temperatures.
It's really Erica talking, trust me.
But it's going to be a really quiet day with 50s by later this afternoon.
All right, moving on to this. Deputies need the public's help finding the person responsible for a deadly hit and run in the South Valley. A pedestrian was killed on Saturday night around 7 on Rio Bravo, east of Del Rio. Investigators believe the suspect was driving a 1999 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe that may be red. They say that the vehicle likely has significant front-end damage and a cracked windshield.
Business owners in Nob Hill are hoping that police substations returning to normal hours will help with crime. The manager of the popular comic book store Astro Zombie says the pandemic led to vandalism and even arsons in Nob Hill. El Camino Donuts says that it was also hit hard.
Starting today, Albuquerque Public Schools will be conducting public interviews for the 3 superintendent finalists. The board will be asking interim superintendent Scott Elder, Ignacio Ruiz, and Dr. Buljan Vargas questions sent to them from members of the community as well as some of their own. The interviews will be streamed on YouTube.
The city is expanding its free ride program to more people. Starting this morning, students aged 25 and younger and seniors over 60, they can ride all ABQ ride buses and Sun vans for free. Seniors will need a state ID, while students will need a school ID to board. Veterans may also ride for free.
New news for you this morning. Discount shoe retailer Payless is officially back in business. The retailer filed for bankruptcy nearly 2 years ago. The company is reorganized and will be opening its first store this week. Payless plans to open as many as 400 stores over the next 5 years.
And now let's get a look at that morning drive. Here's a look at the maps. They're looking completely clear, no accidents and no slowdowns. And here's a look at Tracker. The road's still looking fairly clear and traffic is moving right along.
A New Mexico restaurant is getting ready to go national with the new condiment at Year of the Dog in Raton. A lot of their sauces and toppings are homemade, so they decided to spice up a new secret recipe for a darker and thicker ketchup. They're hoping to launch the new idea locally first, then nationally.
Welcome back on this day, March 1st, 1998. Well, obviously starting March, but that was one of the wettest Marches on record. 2.34 inches fell throughout the month, 1.77 more than normal.
All right, time now for the 5 facts. At number 5, a New Mexico restaurant is trying its hand at making a new condiment specifically for hot dogs. At Year of the Dog in Raton, a lot of their homemade sauces and toppings are from scratch. So they decided to spice up a new secret recipe for ketchup. Well, their new ketchup is a bit thicker and darker than regular ketchup and is made to spice up a regular hot dog and mature your taste buds. They're hoping to launch the new idea locally and then nationally.
On to number 4 now. Starting today, Albuquerque Public Schools will be conducting public interviews for its 3 superintendent finalists. The search originally began in late 2019 when the then superintendent Raquel Reedy, announced that she would be retiring. The finalists are interim superintendent Scott Elder, Ignacio Ruiz, Dr. Boljan Vargas. Each one will be asked a series of questions. Many of them have been sent in from you in the community. If you would like to watch the interviews, they're going to be streamed on YouTube. We have all the details for you. Just go to our website that's always on, KRQE.com. APS is expecting to have a selection by next week. Of course, we'll follow it for you.
And at number 3, it's going to be a cool day out there again. Yesterday was pretty cool in the metro area. Today only making it to 50 degrees. We should be seeing temperatures in the upper 50s, so I'd say grab the extra layers, but we will start warming things back up by tomorrow.
Number 2 now, President Joe Biden is calling for quick action this morning on his nearly $2 trillion COVID relief bill. The bill narrowly passed the House on Saturday with all Republicans and 2 Democrats voting against it. The $1.9 trillion plan moves now on to the Senate. That plan does include increased testing, school funding, child care assistance, and those stimulus checks. Democrats wanted to pass a $15 minimum wage proposal hike in the House. That will not be included.
And number 1, business owners in Nob Hill are hoping that police substations returning to normal hours will help curb the crime problem in that area. The manager of the popular comic book store Astro Zombies in Nob Hill says that they've been vandalized at least 5 times in the past year, including 2 attempted arsons. El Camino Donuts also says they've been hit by vandals as well. Now, APD substations throughout the metro are going back to their pre-COVID hours.